Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your front page. So once you've logged in, you'll be presented with your dashboard. You're just going to come and hover over pages and click on all pages. Then you're going to find your title page, which is Gizmo and Gadgets, and then it was telling us it's the front page next to it because we've told WordPress that this is your front page. So all you're going to do is hover over it and then edit with Elementor, right click and open in a new tab. I've got it preloaded in the new tab here, and the way just open up this is your navigator down here. So this is what I love about the navigator. It shows us each row, which class is a section, and if you click on it, it actually drags you down to that section. You see, so navigator works very well if you've got a lot, if your front page is very long, which is nice because you can quickly switch between the rows, as you can see, just like this. Okay, so we're just going to close it for this tutorial. So we're going to click close. If you want it to appear again, you'll just push the little navigator button at the bottom here, bottom left, and then it will appear. Right, so let's crack on. So what we've got is on your left hand side here, after clicking this little Rubik's Cube at the top here, these are all the widgets that you can use. Each widget does something different on the website, so you can add progress bars, date and time, slides, animated headings, anything like that that you want to load on your front page and want the viewers to see. So what we've got here, we've got your first row here. As you can see, the content width is full width. If we make it boxed, as you can see now, it pushes all the content to a boxed shape. We can change the width of that if we wanted to, just like that. We'll just keep it as full width because it's the best for our slide widget that we've used. As you can see there, it now looks nice. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the widget here, and as you can see, click on the image, not the widget, click on the image, and then you'll see edit slides has appeared. Now on the left here, you'll see slides. If we click on it, there is your background, so you can just click there and change the image. So for argument's sake, we'll just make it like this, and then you'll see it will fade into that one once the system loads it. There you go, you can see it fade into that image. Right, we've got a background overlay, yes, so that the brightness of the image doesn't block out the words. To edit the words, I'm just going to change that image back quickly. So to edit the words, you'll go to content, and then as you can see, there is your title. If you want a small description underneath here, you can say, hello there, this is a video. This is a video lesson, and as you can see, it appears underneath the title there. All right. Oh, sorry about that. I moved the widget. As you can see, it's drag and drop. So great. So now that we can just go back to content here, and we'll just delete that, and there you go. You can see it's been deleted. This function here that says shop now, you could change that to our range just like that, and as you can see, the wording has changed on the button. So it's really nice. It's a nice feature because then you can actually see what it looks like before you hit update or publish. So if we scroll down a little bit more, we come to your second row. This row is a little bit different because now it's got two columns where the top row only has one. So what we've done on this one here, if we click on the column and we go to style, obviously layout, and then style, here is the background image here. But what we did was when we hover over, you see it's got an overlay. So if we click background overlay and then go to hover, you'll see here is the color. We made it black and we've made the transparency. As you can see, it gets darker and all of that. All right, and then this widget here. Now, what we're doing this side here, it affects this side, this column here. All right, so this is the beauty of it. It's the same aspect for both columns. So if we just click here, and you can see your edit heading appears, we can go home gadgets, which we can change to, let's say, kid toys now, just like that. And this button, we can just show VR range, and we can make that say shop. Right, if we come over to this one here, we can make this one go outside kids toys, just like this. And then we go to the button and we'll just make that one to shop, and then we can say shop now if we wanted to. Scrolling down into the next row, as you can see, this is one row, but we've got a heading widget here, which says recent rivals. As you can see, this is the product we added today. And if we just click on the product, it will bring up the WooCommerce product grid. So now this has got 4 columns, so we can change it like that, but obviously you can see it stretches out the image. So we'll leave it like in 4 columns. This is set to randomize every time some user comes back. So once you've got new products, you've got more than 4 products, every now and again it will randomize. All right, keeping the front page fresh. Scrolling down a bit more here. This is the same as the 2 columns above here, but what we've done is we've actually made that only 1 column. But if you click on security gadgets, as you can see here, we can type in again, same thing. Go down to the button. We can change that to shop. Now this will take us to the shop page. Now this row here, as you see with the torch, is the same kind of thing. We've got it set as, had it set as box, but we had the background image going over. If we click on style, as you can see now it's a background image. Now the first row was a slide, so that's why we didn't go into style. This one here, we've actually had to change the background. We've actually got to click the row and go to style, and then we can change that. So let's just put it to the slider image, just like this. And as you can see now, the image has changed. So we'll put it back to the torch. We click on this section here. It's a heading. We can say, find all you're looking for. We hope so, for example. As you can see, it's showing on the front page there. Click on the gadgets, click on the button, and you can say view all the gadgets, and it's going to the shop page. So as you can see, the front page is built very similar all the way through, rows and columns. It's just how your widgets and how your images and overlays are set. But if there's anything else that you need, please do not hesitate to pop me a WhatsApp message or an email, and I'll gladly assist. Take care.